You are bushing from Makwaba at the back in Wood Media or YouTube and Kingwood Sports or TikTok. And there's Sunday on the 29th of March 2026. Now, and there Sunday update why the Bremo Ghana Premier League GPL no more. March week 27. Yes, March week 27. I had the Bremo and the Sunday now. And now about 3 p.m. Matches bebree ɛwɔ hɔ a yɛde brɛ mu ɛwɔ GPL no mu Ghana Premier League mu na matches bebree wɔ hɔ na yɛhwɛ matches na Kumasi Asante Kotoko ɛne Aduana Stars ɛwɔ Dormaa Aduana Stars ɛbɔ against Kumasi Asante Kotoko. House of Folk ɛbɔ against All Blacks Swedru All Blacks. Accra House of Folk against Swedru All Blacks. Hoho United ɛso ɛhyia Dreams FC Hoho United ebo against Dreams FC. And Karela United ebo Viviane Go Stars. Karela United ebo Viviane Go Stars. And Nations FC ebo against Brekum Chelsea. Nations FC ebo against Brekum Chelsea. And Samatex ebo against Bechem United. Samatex against Bechem United. And Young Apostles ebo against Accra Heart of Lions. Young Apostles House of Lions. And the GPL match the 27 and the matches about now. And the day matches I bet come once empire Aduana Stars versus Kumasi Asante Kotoko Aduana. Bono Mante mo na can see about. Now sa can see we kaya week 10 and our first match and about so Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium Kumasi. Baba Yara Sports Stadium Kumasi a saa match no akoya 1-1 draw Aduana na di nka so ati atena no Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebete ye Baba Yara Sports Stadium week 10 mo me yenkohwe saa akokansie no highlight no emra ye baba sisi a
off for this afternoon's fixture here at the Baba Yara. Izaki Free wins the first throwing for the visitors. Here is Marfo. Aduana on the move. Arthur tries to pick out Free, who swings in across. And Amwa calmly heads it down to Dari. Good communication between the right back and his goalkeeper. And so he's trying to pick out Donzo. Donzo unable to get that one. Alex Boache falls onto Anochi Bedu. Samba gives away possession. Then ball dropped down by Enzo. In a beautiful manner, accorded by the fans. Here is Lord Armoire to Aqua. Aqua is trying to cut it back for Tenedu. Here's a double. Samba switches to Saka Dauda. And Saka is unable to. Again is away by Tenedu loses possession. Here is Emmanuel Marfo for Aduana. He's got Amponsa on his left. He checks on to Amponsa. Sana is looking to drive one in, and Dari doesn't deal with it well. In Emmanuel Marfo has put Aduana ahead in 4 minutes. It's the visitors who have shot into the lead, and it's Kotoko 0, Aduana 1.
He started the entire thing and he finished it off.
Great movement from Amponsa. Lovely dummy from Sana to unleash this one, but you're thinking, could Dari have done better? Where were the defenders? One, but it goes straight to Osei. That one will not trouble the Aduana goalie. Here's Aqua. Now Marfo, the goal scorer. He's up against Henry Enso. That's all to go past Enso. Now Amponsa. He's got a double to confront. Amponsa's trying to send one through to Mezake Free. Adabo is fighting for it. Amponsa is keeping his composure. He goes down and wins the free kick for Aduana.
The away side, Aduana FC, to settle into the game.
The last time Aduana visited the Babayara Stadium as league leaders was 2 years ago. Good enough to warrant for a decision from the referee.
I think Kotoko are lucky to escape a penalty. He clearly went into the foot of his man.
Watson swings one in, and Dari has to go and save this one to deny Aduana a second. Confidence. The Kotoko right back wants options. Flag stays down. Saka down with a cross, and it's headed away by Adumako Watson. Only his first. Aqua. Good 1-2 between Aqua and Adabo. Aqua can't go past Atta.
Kotoko gradually walking back into the game, having a fair share of possession. That was intelligent from Maxwell Atta, putting his body right in there to stop that attack.
Lord Amwa's drive, and it's a beauty. Magnificent strike. And a brilliant goal scored by Lord Amwa to equalize for Asante Kotoko. What a way to equalize. This is top class finish from Albert Amwa. It's Kotoko 1, Aduana 1.
That's a fantastic finish, a power driver from the right back. Quality, touch and control, and once it dropped. That's a brilliant finish for an equalizer to pump up the frontier.
Very impressive week in, week out. Here is a Siedu, Samba O'Neill, Amidu Aqua. Lost to take on defenders. Now Esiedu Aqua can't go past Arjaman. That's clever reading of the game by Arjaman.
But I think that was a very
match Aduana Stars and Kumasi Asante Kotoko a boy Babayara Sports Stadium week 10 Bas or Babayara Sports Stadium. Now after 1-1 draw no Aduana Stars assigned the ball against Kumasi Asante Kotoko MTN FA Cup. Musani Asante Kotoko ebeshiaye ama sa match no so at the end of 90 minutes no and 0-0 penalty call so Aduana Stars 4-2 penalties Kumasi Asante Kotoko fi MTN FA Cup no mu nti ye hwe this season na sa two matches na abo nyina no mienu ni nyina end draw first match na Ghana Premier League no end 1-1 eno akire obosa betia ebeshia wo MTN FA Cup and also ball 0-0 at the end of 90 minutes no penalty shootout Aduana Stars etumi edi share Kumasi Asante Kotoko 4-2 4 goals to 2 penalties umutum di Kumasi Asante Kotoko free mu MTN FA Cup and we any match etoso miensa Aduana Stars and Kumasi Asante Kotoko bebo season we mu na some match we baso Dormaa hinkro Dormaa Stadium ahona saa match we baso Kumasi Asante Kotoko against Aduana Stars baso Dormaa na match we dey anya asam ketwa match emu be den papa match we emu be den papa na ye hwe se Asante Kotoko betumi afa asan fa 3 maximum point ewo Dormaa after say weekend ye betwam ye last weekend betumi share Nation Safety 3-0 Babayara Sports Stadium Nation Safety entumi ante mu adabraka ye bom pa say sa form no Asante Kotoko etumi assign awura mu sa match between Aduana Stars and Kumasi Asante Kotoko na sa match basu ye hwe league table na emphasis mediama about Friday no the mediama the emphasis about 27 matches na omo kuta 49 points omo di kan wo atwede no so table no so mediama edi kan with 49 points Bibiano Go Stars etosu mienu with 48 about 26 matches Asante Kotoko etosu miensa with 42 matches House of Folk etosu 9 with 42 points Aduana Stars etosu enum with 41 points Samatex etosu nsia Karela etosu nson Holy Stars etosu enwotwe Vision etosu enkron Dreams etosu du House of Lion etosu du baako Nations etosu du mienu Bechem etosu du miensa Oblast etosu du 9 Brukum Chelsea etosu edunum United Young Apostles 11 Wonders ɛno ɔmo na battle for relegation na ɛyɛ hɔ United ɛtɔ so ɛyɛ edunsia ɔmo wɔ 30 points ɛyɛ Young Apostles so ɛtɔ so dunson ɔmo wɔ 30 points ɛna do otwa toɔ a ɛwɔ so table no ɛyɛ 11 Wonders a ɔmo wɔ 10 points ɔmo tɔ so edunwɔtwe ɔmo na ɔmo aso table no nyinaa nti tiefoɔ wei ne ɛyɛ GPL highlight a yɛwɔ ma mo ɛne de yi na matches nyinaa bɛ start ɛyɛ 3 pm ɛnɛ Sunday awie yi a nti mehwɛ me time a aka just 5 minutes na matches nyinaa start nti yɛma asɛm a yɛka ne sɛ mohwɛ Kumasi Asante Kotoko betumi ahyɛ Aduana Stars ɛde atake that 3 maximum point anaa Aduana Stars bɛhyɛ Kumasi Asante Kotoko ɔmo so adumi ade agye saa 3 points no anaa match no bɛ ɛnde draw saa kwanhyɛ wei ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Aduana Sports Stadium match no mbɛ den papa nso metie mo prediction mo famra ɛwɔ Kingwood Media ɛwɔ YouTube anaasɛ Kingwood Sports ɛwɔ TikTok metie mo adwenkyerɛ ɛne mo comment ɛne mo prediction nyinaa mo famra na yɛbɛ ansa mo nti sia me kasa aka bɛyɛ sɛ suma num na akansie nyinaa astarte ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Aduana Stars ɛyɛ ɔmo home yɛbɔ no bɔnkye yɛbɔ no Aduana na after the match de bɛsi biara no yɛmfa nka mo mmerɛ mo ase bebree sɛ de bi a mohwɛ Kingwood Media ne Kingwood Sports ɛwɔ TikTok nyame nhyira mo bebree de bɛsi agokansi wɔ akyi biara yɛbɛsan de ama mo mmerɛ mo ase bebree nyame nhyira mo nyinaa